is one of the best moments I've ever lived in my life.
Best moment, dancing in the rain. I got lots and lots and lots of friends.
I'm gonna be missing the people a lot.
My name is Amanda and I live in Brazil. The simple things I've done here made me feel like so alive sometimes.
I'm Gita and I'm from the United States. I've learned so much here. I've been learning Danish and taking all these classes. I'm taking social media and marketing, and since I took world cooking, I got to cook from like all these different cultures. I learned how to cook better, for sure.
My name is Ruben Ariano. I'm from the US. I learned to be more open-minded. From where I come from, I don't really get a lot of diversity, and so being exposed to all these new people and from different areas of the world was something really gratifying.
I'm Hetvi and I'm from India, and I experienced like so many memories, so much fun together with different people that I'm kind of an introvert, but I unexpectedly connected with a lot of people, and that was very interesting to know about myself.
I've been sailing the first time and I was kind of nervous because the wind was so strong, but then the teacher said that we wouldn't fall. So in that moment, my friend and I, we turned our heads like that and I could feel the sea and it was so magical. I've never felt so alive. It was amazing.
It started pouring really, really hard outside. I looked at my friends and I was like, let's go dance in the rain, guys. So we all went outside and we just started dancing in the rain, and then more people came and then music got turned on. It was so much fun.
Well, I did fitness, gastronomy, and philosophy.
I learned a lot about Danish culture and the language. The teachers here are so friendly and they look so young.
I've learned it to be more comfortable to talk to people because you start to see that people that are different could be more similar than you think.
Be open and have fun. You can be yourself 100%. There are going to be so many people coming here from all over the world, Italy and from Guatemala, Argentina, the States, Hong Kong, that are wanting to meet people as well, So just be open to anything and everything and say yes and go out there and go dance in the rain,
Just be yourself and understand that it's more than just you and that there's always people to meet and talk to.
Just be more open. Do not be afraid to say hi to people. You can be shy, you can be an extrovert, but just be happy and try to share your emotions, try to share your experiences with each other, and do not use your phones too much. I mean, we can do that all the time, but you're here to experience new things, new people here.
It helped me be more open-minded. So when I came here, I realized that there's so much to learn and there's so many people out there. Now I'm gonna go back home and bring that same mentality of let's be open, let's meet people. Everyone has a story.
I've made a lot of friends and now it's one of the best moments I've ever lived in my life. Now I want to keep contact with those people for the rest of my life because I learned with them every single day.
We are all the same. We're kind of connected in some or the other way.
I love my friends here. I'm definitely gonna miss them, and I'm very grateful to have met them here,
The friends I've made here, I wish I could spend as much time as possible with them.
I love the teachers here. I'll miss them as well. And I'm really grateful for this experience.
I had one of the best experiences of my life coming here.